Hello everyone, today I prepared a special unique fish recipe without fish frying. For this meal I used katla, a large South Asian crawfish. It is high in omega-3 fatty acid, potassium and iodine, all of which prevent of skin disease. I used some boneless fish and chopped them like this to make this recipe. Then add salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, ginger garlic paste and mustard oil and marinate them. Allow the fish to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Some tomatoes and onion are chopped at this time. Place a pan on the flame, add mustard oil and some cumin seed and dry red chili. Then add chopped onion, fry it until its color changes into brown and add salt according to your taste. Now quietly add chopped tomatoes, ginger garlic paste and marinated fish. Cook them for 10 to 15 minutes. Now that I have revealed some simple beauty advice, you may witness the result by taking a slice of tomato that has been cut and mix it with rice flour and turmeric powder, then scrub it on your face and body. After 10 minutes, cover it for 5 minutes for a good texture and a smell. Now it's ready. Spread some kasturi methi from top for a good flavor and taste. You can enjoy this recipe with rice, chapati or bread. If you like my recipe, then click the thumbs up, share and drop a comment and subscribe to my channel for more recipes.